Hey guys, I'm back. I just made a video and hopefully I'll upload it in a few minutes of my thrift store finds. But look what just came in the mail. I got a package, and you guys know that's been watching me for years. I don't do a whole lot of online shopping. I'm one of those, I like to get out and about and find things. But Unity Stamps, which is a stamp company that I have adored for years, and I have visited their booths at lots of CK conventions and stamping conventions and expos and all that I just have bought throughout the years. A lot of you are probably familiar with them, and they had a big sale. I think it's still going on. A lot of things were 50% off, and I follow them on Facebook and social media, and they posted this cute stamp that I just had to have. So while I was there, I took advantage of the sale, and if you bought a certain amount, you got a free stamp. You bought a little bit higher, you got another stamp. If you bought another over a certain amount, I get a $10 off coupon off my next purchase of 50 or more. And I think they had a free shipping thing. And this coupon ends February of next year. So that I will probably take advantage. I might check them out on Black Friday to see if they have any deeper discounts. So again, they may still have this sale, 50% off for a lot of their things, and then you get the additional goodies. When I ordered, I think last week, I got this one for free, and I love their little small version, their little, what do they call these, itty bitties. When I used to go to the shows, guys, I miss shows. Do y'all miss shows? I do. We used to have a CK convention in Charlotte. That's no longer. We have Scrap Expo or Stamp and Scrap something. They'll come to the Raleigh area. I think they go to someplace in Georgia. It might be Duluth, Georgia. And I know they go to Columbia, South Carolina. And I think they go Virginia Beach or somewhere up there. Hampton Roads. I can't remember. In Virginia. But I do miss CK's. I know there's a big one in Chantilly. Usually I've traveled up to there with my cousin. And I used to love going to the Unity stamp booth. So I just love these. So I didn't have this one. I got that one. And then I got this one for free as well. Super cute. How much fun are these going to be? This one's called Joy, Peace, and Comfort Mug. So it's like a little coffee mug with a little snowflake. And it says Joy, Peace, and Comfort. Super adorable. And then the tree is Merry Christmas Tree Line. So these are kind of fun. Those would be pretty on tags. Love the scale. I love their itty bitties. When I used to go to shows, a lot of times they would do like these for like $1. I used to love buying those. I love Unity stamps. So let me start with what took me to Unity stamps. If y'all don't follow them on social media, they're always posting the cutest little projects. And this caught my eye, and I love it. I'm not a coffee drinker, but I've got tons of coffee stamps, but I do like hot chocolate, so this could go for anything. And this one's called Coffee with a Heart. You may have seen this. How much fun is this going to be? I fell in love with this one. Look at the heart mug. Oh, I can't wait to play with this one. And it's a nice scale. So there's the coffee mug with a spoon. And if you could see, the little spoon hole has a little heart. Sorry about the glare. And then you have the little marshmallows. And then you have some sentiments. It says, maybe it's the coffee. Maybe you're too awesome. It's time to start again. You are the sugar to my coffee. You give me that warm feeling inside. So you get this little stamp set, comes with 7 stamps. And there it is. So check out Unity. This is what got me going. That's when I saw they had some project shares on their Facebook page. And I had seen some of the cards. And I just love this. Thought this would be a lot of fun to work with. So that's what took me to Unity's site. Again, y'all know I don't order a whole lot online. But can't go to shows. And not all stores carry Unity stamps. So while I was there, again, I took advantage of the sale. They were 50% off. And I was looking at everything that they have. And this one came up. It's called Cup of Comfort. There's kind of a little theme to this. And this one is adorable. So this one you get, does it say how many stamps? 10 stamps. So you get this big mug. Isn't that awesome? And you get all these different sentiments. So I can mix and match these sentiments with other stamps that I have and the ones that I bought. And look at the scale of these. I thought this one, I can do some projects with this one and use this and put a little gift card in there. I think I can do that with this to give to clients and family and friends. This one says, happy birthday, treat yourself. I love that. You're so fancy, enjoy today. Thanks, a grande. Little teeny tiny print. Thoughts of comfort and healing. That would be great if you know somebody's sick. And it's got a little row of hearts, an open heart, and then a little butterfly. Aren't these a lot of fun? Can't you, don't you, my mind just starts going crazy. And I love this scale. Love that. So this one's called Cup of Comfort. So it's kind of a little theme. So while I was there, this one came up too. It's a mug hug. So you get the mug. How fun. So I thought this would be fun to do some projects. So like my coaching clients, you guys know that I'm a real estate agent and I coach a productivity coaching. So I help all the new agents with get their business up and running. And I thought this would be fun to do some little, you know, rewards, or, you know, when they start meeting their goals, you know, send them a little pick me up or a little, you know, celebration of their accomplishment. So this is, you're the bestest, sip, sip, hooray, have a merry day, hello, thank you, it's a mug hug, hey, sweet thing, love you, enjoy life, you deserve a treat, eat, drink, and be merry, today is a new day, a cup of happy, only the best for you. So you get a lot of sentiments with this, but I'm not sure if it'll show up. So you have your cup, and it looks like a little peppermint stick out of it, but I don't know if it'll show up. But in there, around the cup, at the base of the cup, as well as the top, they're like little heart bubbles. Sorry about the glare. I fell in love with this stamp. So you guys see, I got the 3 type coffee mug cups stamps. So these will all be fun to interchange, and I cannot wait to stamp out something with these. I cannot wait. So I got those, and while I was there, I was checking out what else they have, and I came across this cute little snowman. I love snowmen. I know gingerbreads are all the rage, and they're really cute and all, but there's something about snowmen that I have always loved. I've got a ton of snowman stamps, and now I'm starting to get a few gingers. I have gingers too, but mostly a lot more snowmen. And I found this little guy, and he's got this silly little grin, and look what he's got in his pocket. He's got a little gingerbread. Super cute. Let me see if I can just take this out so you don't get the glare, because this is a smaller. This is one of the itty bitties. They come in a little bag. Get it out of here. And oh, it came with 2. They got 2 in there. Super adorable. See the little gingerbread in his pocket? Super cute. May the love of the season warm your heart. And he's got a little fishing line, and it's in the shape of a heart. I love all their little imagery. And look at his little face. Look at that little grin. He's so happy. So cute. He's all bundled up. He's got cute little buttons, and a little stitched star. Super, super fun. And he is called Country Christmas Snowman. And you get that cute sentiment, and he's a nice scale for some cards. Super adorable. I love Unity stamps. I always have. Set that right there. Then the last one I got, again, these were all on sale, so check out your Unity Stamp Company. And I thought with Valentine's Day coming up, this is called Candy Hearts. This is going to be a lot of fun to make some cards. Do you guys see that? This looks like the box, like the front box of the little candy hearts. How fun will this be? And it's a nice little scale, almost the same size of as the box. So I thought I could make my own boxes and stamp them out in different colors. And then you have all the different hearts. And I have a few other stamps with this theme. So I have other little candy heart stamps, but I didn't have the box. So I thought this would be fun to make some little tags, put a little gift card in there, or a little sentiment card. But I thought this would be a lot of fun to make some boxes, some tags, some interactive tags. And I just thought it was really, really, really cute. And again, I guess it's named Candy Heart. And I just love the scale of that. Super adorable. You could probably turn this into a shaker. Very easily turn this into a shaker. So, guys, that's what I got. I cannot wait to stamp this one out. And I love the scale of this one. Isn't that adorable? So, check out your Unity stamps. I can't wait to get playing. And I love this one. So fun. But I can't wait for these. Got me shopping online, y'all. Might be in trouble now. But yeah, check out your Unity stamps. Follow them on social media. And let me know if you have any of these and what you've done. If you have any really fun ideas. I know I have several rolling around in my head. And I can't wait to get started. But I got to clean this mess up from my previous video. And I got to start making some Christmas cards. So I will talk to you guys later. Have an awesome Thanksgiving again. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you next time. Bye, everybody.